Hello all, today I am gonna play with FW-190 and before the playing and the action I want to give you some brief information about the plane, and it's a iconic and also one of the best fighters of World War II, and it has some differences for other planes. The main opponent is also the Bf-109 in Germany. So the main point is coming from the power unit. BF-109 has a liquid-cooled Daimler-Benz engine. So this engine is a smaller unit, that's why BF-109 has a narrow body. On the other hand, FW-190 has an air-cooled BMW engine, and this engine has a bigger diameter in a circle wise. It's shorter but the bigger diameter. That's why the body is bigger, seems to be bigger than the BF-109. And there are some other also unique features inside this plane. The main philosophy from the designer side is the plane has to be simple and the maintenance has to be easy. And also one critical point is also the reliability and the survivability has to be good. That's why the designer Kurt Tank implemented some extra measures inside the plane. When you compare the armors, for example, in the BF-109, there are not too much armor. For example, other planes in the Corsair, you cannot see too many armor, and also the thickness are really less. Even we can try Key 48, you can see a very less amount of armor. But on our plane, FW-190, you can easily see there are too many armor placed in different locations. Also, these armors are the first target is to protect the fuel tanks. As you can see here, you can very easily think about it. The bullets will come from the backside. The top armor is to protect the pilot, but this armor is to protect the fuel tank, because fuel tanks can easily set on fire, so this will damage the plane. So this is for protecting the engine, and this front armor is interesting. These are protecting for the oil cooling unit. So it shows really the designer focus on the survivability of the plane. And there are some other also unique features inside the plane. For example, the kits that you can mount on the plane, so it will increase the amount of ammo and the hit power of the plane easily. The speed is around 700 kilometers. It's not really in the top of this tier, but it's enough for the game. So also some small details, the landing gear, the control surfaces are all electrically activated. This is a technology ahead of in its time, and the main purpose to use it to make the plane more simpler, because otherwise you have to use a hydraulic systems to control surfaces. So the hydraulic systems meet hydraulic piping and the hydraulic liquid, so it will be hard to make the maintenance. But the electrical motors, it's more easy. And the last unique feature is this bubble canopy, and also I will tell it more in the testing phase. Now I am in the testing mode, and I am sitting in the cockpit. There are lots of instruments, as you can see. The view is right to left, seems to be okay, but in front of us we have the huge engine. We only see the propeller, but we are not seeing the... Now I am pushing the throttle to take off, and you also see on the top side the ammo indicator. It's unique and very beneficial. And to check the view, so we have a bubble canopy, and as you can see, it gave us really clear view of the backside. There is no frames or no metal parts to prevent our view, and also it has very good window in the front side. Some action. I will start with turn fight. and try to show the abilities of the plane in the turn fight. So the opponent is FW-190, so you can easily see he is more agile and easily turn, and probably fastly he will be in my tail in 1 or 2 seconds. Now I am hoping to get some help from one of my teammates, because I probably in 1 turn more he will be in my backside. So we are turning and turning, and he will be near. Yep, I am lucky. Another opponent. I will show you the tracking ability of the plane. Now we have a X6F. He or she not see me. Now I will come closer, and with one hit, exploded. Yeah. One more tracking, and we have a Hornet. Again, concentrate on another targets. Come closer, hit. He recognizes me, yeah, but yep. Yeah, this will be a difficult one. We have Spitfire. I have to be always on the tail and hit. Get some damage. Hit, and that's, yeah. Turn fight seems to be not easy, but if you are in a good position and if you are in the tail, and with one hit with this huge amount of ammo, you can easily take out the opponents. And there's a chance to check the ability on the jets. So F80, so turning. I must shoot, otherwise I can miss him. Yep, and yes, it's a lucky shot, but yes. Okay, I will try some head-to-heads. So we have a Yak-3. Okay, and yes, turning onto me. Okay, and I will position myself. Yep, zoom in, hit, and turn. Yep, this will be interesting. There's 3 planes, and they are trying to chase one of our teammates. And oh, F-18 coming to me. Yes, hit. Head to head. Another head-to-head. So there are some dogfights ongoing. Let's check which one is coming to us. Yes, BF-109. Hit, and turn. Okay. And now, okay, we have a G56. And yep, hit, yep. And final verdict. It's a good plane, it's strong, it has armors, it's good in the head-to-heads. The most important is fun to play. So see you next time.